everybody on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, what's going on, wherever you're watching. Hello, it's Jonathan Golden with Steward title. No, that's my day job. It's Jonathan Golden today with the GT3. I got two personalities. So today we're going to Streets of Willow. Porsche Owners Club is having a track day the 11th and 12th of January 2020. It's my first track day of the year. I try to go about once a month to the track just to let out the steam, adrenaline, and have some fun with some friends. So we're going there. I've been to Streets of Willow before, but I haven't been counterclockwise. We're doing the counterclockwise direction. I was watching some videos online. Oh, there's a Carrera S. He's going to the track. Hey, buddy. So yeah, anyways, I was watching videos last night. There was a Miata, Hyper Miata. It was like a super aeroed out Miata that did a 116. So that's pretty crazy to get a 116. I think I got a 130 there in my Subaru. I had a Subaru WRX STI, brand new, 2017 at the time. And then now I think I went to the track with this car clockwise. I got like a 124, 125. I gotta check my YouTube videos and double check that time. The goal today, I mean, it is very cold. It's 50 degrees. I'm not too sure what the track temperature will be, but hopefully I can get a sub 120. A sub 120 is really quick on this course, so that's the goal for today. It's going to be a whole new layout. I got to learn, so hopefully you guys can check it out, enjoy the footage, and check out some cars. We're going to check out some other cars that will be there at Streets of Willow. They don't do racing at this track just because I think it's so small and narrow, and it's a tight course, so there's not much room for overtaking. So there's two groups running today. It's PDS, Performance Driving School. I think that's what it's called, and then that's what I'll be in. And then there's another group called Time Trials, which I won't be in, but I want to get to, but you need the roll cage and seat belts and all that stuff. So let's get to it, and I need some gas. Alright guys, here at Chevron, my sponsor for gas today. Filling up. We just got gas. We just got cash back as well, because you need 10 bucks to get into the track. So let's see how much the gas was. It was $57.45 to fill up today. Is that right? Yeah, $57.45 to fill up. Right here! Woo! Willow Springs! Shut the hell up, radio. Alright, here we go. We're here, we made it, boys. Guys, girls. Yo guys, if you haven't done so, hit that like button, comment down below what you think of the track experience, and we're gonna get right into a hot lap right now. I'm gonna watch it with you guys and kind of explain what is going on through my head. So we're here, turn 3 or 2, we're going through a chicane, going up the hill through the bowl at Streets of Willow. We're going counterclockwise instead of clockwise. The bowl was kind of weird. You have to go cut in, then go out, and then in, I found was the best way, instead of going out and then cutting in. So we're going through the chicane again. And the gearing is a little weird on my car. I'm in the GT3. The gearing is like, you're like second and third gear, and it's kind of like, it wants to shift, but you're like right at red line, so it was kind of funky. Coming down this hill, brake, going up the hill was pretty cool. I hit that one pretty nicely. And like these two corners, I was like confident in hitting. The rest of the track, it was kind of a little bit weird. And then you're flat out down the hill to the start and finish line. And that could get a little scary towards the end of the day. And the reason why I didn't film outside of the car today was it was like 30 miles an hour winds. So there was no chance of me vlogging at the track. The quality was really bad. So that's a hot lap. That's my experience on that car on the track. And then now we're gonna go into day 2, which was clockwise. So I did back-to-back weekends. And as you can see, my front tires were completely roasted. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Jonathan Golden. Halfway through the day, we got 2 sessions left. One at 3 and then one at like 3:55. So far so good today at the track. It's super windy today though and super cold, so I feel like that's messing with my mental brain and my track time. But right now I just got my best time of the day at 1:25. The best lap time that I found online was a 1:16, but that was like a 780 horsepower GTR, so a little different. That's all-wheel drive, this is rear-wheel drive. I should be hitting about a 120, but yeah, lots of room to improve, but still out there working. I got a quarter tank, so I'm gonna go get gas again on the GT3, and I'll film a little bit of the cars around today. But it's super windy outside, so I figured I'm not gonna vlog outside when there's a lot of wind out there. So hope you guys enjoyed those footage of that, a couple of those laps, and we'll get back out there, put another like 40-50 bucks in gas, and should be good to go. Tire pressure running about 30 in the front, 32 in the rear. Tires are pretty good, but the cold weather track does mess with my tire grip. So I feel like I'm slipping and sliding a little bit more than I'm used to. So, and this track is very tight, slow, and a little bit technical, so you gotta be smooth with the throttle, smooth with the brake. So I'm just getting the feel of the car. First of the year, track day. I'm super excited, and give you guys a little launch here. 9K red line, here we go. Woo! So this right here, I'm doing another lap following my buddy. He was about a second quicker. He's running the Dunlop Sportmax Rex race 2 tires, I believe, and he had a better line in the bowl, so I wanted to follow him and see if I can get an extra, second or 2. And I did catch him right here, and it looked like there was a car holding us up, but we were going at it pretty close, and it was super fun going, especially with the buddy, and just kind of like pretending to race a little bit. So I was trying to follow his line, get a little quicker. We end up passing this, what is this, Mustang or something. Sometimes on the track you have to wait, in the group we were in, PDS, you have to wait till, a straightaway, and then they point you by to pass. But now that's not an issue. I'm in the time trial group now, so I can just pass whenever I want. So I think here, yep, we're gonna pass him on the straight. And we get pretty close together. And so once he goes, I go. So I had him on the late break, but he did actually beat my lap time by a second. So it was pretty fun. Now we're gonna go into clockwise, which was day 2. So I swapped out the front tires and put on new Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2, sorry. And let me know, guys, what you think about me talking over the onboard, because I feel like I'm trying to tell a story and I want to tell the story right. I feel like if I put the onboard, you guys don't know what you're watching. So here we're going clockwise now, up through turn 1, up the hill. You're kind of flat out, you let off, and then you're into turn 2. This one I've driven before, so I was a little bit more confident in the track. And right away I took like 1 lap or 2, and I was like back to my old times and everything. But I think I went a little bit slower or the same lap time because the track was super cold and it wasn't as windy this day, so it was a little bit better. So coming through the chicanes, I feel like I just don't have the grip here. I don't know if it's the temperature or these tires just suck. Because I had the Pirellis before, and now I'm a little bit spoiled. But the bowl here is nice. You cut in. I feel like the track is made for that bowl this direction. So now we're coming down the hill. You can go flat out and then lift a little bit. There's someone holding me up here, so I had to wait till with the GT3 you literally pass everybody. It's kind of unfair. see, coming around the corner. And this guy's just holding me up, so you have to wait till the straights on this one. There was 2 passing zones on the front straight and the back straight. So there you have it, guys. That was my my track day experience with the GT3. I love the car. It's like super fun. Although the tires are eating the budget a little bit, so I had to replace the front tires, and I bought used tires from my buddy. I keep buying his used tires just because to keep the budget low. It does affect your lap times, but you can still go on the track fairly affordable. So $500 for used tires, $2,500 for new tires. Take your pick. As long as I'm, doing some practice laps, having fun, it's all good. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to check out the channel. I got some more track day footage coming up. And Jonathan Golden, we'll see you on the next one.